Sign of a true person.
Honesty. True person is honest and truthful in their words, action, and intentions.
Authenticity.
A genuine person embraces their true value without pretending to be someone they're not. Empathy.
A true person understands and empathizes with others' feelings and experiences. They show compassion, kindness, and support. Reliability.
A genuine person can be counted to fulfill their promises and commitments.
Integrity.
A true person have strong ethical principles that guide their actions. They do what is right, even nobody is watching.